Bahay na accessible to Metro Manila ba ang hanap mo? Tara, samahan mo ako at baka ito na ang pinakahihintay mo. This is pre-selling Alice Townhouse located inside Lancaster, New City. Around 30 to 45 minutes travel time from SM Mall of Asia via Cavitex. Dress-up model unit ito guys, pero ang turnover unit natin ay semi-complete finished. Ibig sabihin wala pang gamit ang tiles, pero may partition na ang rooms kaya madaling ayusan. May sarili kang lupa at may parking na din at more outdoor space for future expansion. Yes, you heard it right. Pwede mag-modify at i-extend ang bahay. 15,000 pesos lang ang reservation fee, may 3 bedrooms at 1 bathroom ka na. Perfect to sa newlyweds or sa mga investors na balak iparent ang kanilang unit or eventually ibenta at a higher price dahil talaga namang maganda ang development dito sa area. Pwede hulugan under bank or pag-ibig financing. Developer assisted tayo, sabit lang kayo ng requirements, kami na ang bahala sa loan process. Wanna know more about Alice? Send us a message or comment down below para ma-assist ka namin. Kita-kits sa tripping!